Today, we will learn English with a strong and loyal animal, the wolf. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. This is a wolf. It is a wild animal that looks similar to a dog. The word wild means it lives in nature, not in a house. Repeat, wild animal, similar to a dog. Sentence 2. Wolves live in groups called packs. A pack is a family or team of wolves that stay and hunt together. Repeat, live in packs. Sentence 3. In a pack, wolves communicate with howls, body language, and smells. A howl is the long, loud sound a wolf makes. Repeat, communicate, howls, body language. Sentence 4. Wolves are good hunters. They work together to catch bigger animals for food. Two important words, hunters and work together. Repeat, good hunters work together. Sentence 5. Wolves are loyal to their pack and protect each other from danger. The word loyal means they stay with and support their family. Repeat, loyal, protect each other. Now let's take a life lesson from the wolf. Many people think of the wolf as scary, but if you look closely, you see something powerful, teamwork and loyalty. A wolf alone is not as strong as a whole pack. The pack shares the work, shares the danger, and shares the food. They survive because they don't leave each other behind. When you learn English, you don't need to walk alone like a lone wolf all the time. You can learn with a pack, friends who practice speaking with you, a community like OneLingo that shares tips and motivation, teachers, videos, and content that guide you. You can still be strong and independent, but you grow faster when you share the journey with others. Repeat this line with me. I will learn English with my pack, and we will get stronger together, like wolves. Say it again, slowly. I will learn English with my pack, and we will get stronger together, like wolves. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, do you like wolves? Why or why not? Write one simple English sentence with the word wolf or pack. For example, the wolf is loyal to its pack and works together with it. I will read your sentences, and your ideas can help choose the next animal for Animal English with OneLingo.